So good morning guys, we are the Alpha Squad and I'm with Anay and I'm with Likhit and myself Anam. We are going to show our vlog of our P2,
Yes.
which is also the garden where we play.
Yes, there are the landmarks in P2. We are not going to show you. We are going to also show you some information about the buildings. So let's start. So this
building which we
is
came
this is
The building which we came from is 2B. You might not see the number or the name of it. because
Yes.
of the light.
and so this is 2 area you see here. This is 1A and this non-painted buildings you see they are this is 2 area.
That is 2A. That is 2A. That is 2C over there. That is 2C. That is 2A.
And this is 2B and
So
2.
we're going to show the first landmark,
So
which
this
is the circle.
Which is the circle.
We used to play football here, but because of the hard surface, we used to get hurt. And in the rainy season, it was also very slippery due to the
Yes.
water.
Second, this is our first landmark here, the circle.
And you can see
Yes. You can see the view here. So now we are going to proceed to our second landmark.
this is the black tiles as you can see ahead.
Yes.
We should also play football over here and may play many other games such as tag. This now you can see it become white. We also call it the black tiles because
There are black tiles on it. We also call it the BTS.
Short for
Black
black tiles.
tiles. Yes. And it's white because they are spread chlorine on it because of the water. It's cold over here. So this is 2A here.
these are
Just
the-
a view of the buildings.
So there are actually 4 sets of buildings. 1A, 2 area, 3 area and 4 area.
And each set of building has 4 wings A, B, C and D. So this is just a tree here with a
And now you
bushes.
might not see 2D over here because it is a little on the right.
To the
A
3
little on the left, sorry.
it's
But you will be able to see it when we
when-
later of the vlog.
But
yes.
you might see this subway, you might see this hut
Uh,
over here.
Yes, it's a red house like this. It's called a subway. It's a connection between P2, P1 and 0.
If you don't know what's P2, if you don't know what's P1, it's like it is below this ground.
Yes,
This is
and
parking level.
and 0 is below.
We like exit this
Yes.
from here.
So this is just the interior of it. That is P1 and 0 is there. You can't see it because of the darkness. So our next third landmark is the garden. The garden is a
From the
very
from the first.
entrance. It's a very big landmark divided into smaller landmarks. So there is a lot of greenery here. You can see, and this is the playground. It used to be flooded here when it rains because of the summer, the water has dried up and it's good now. You can play here. There are swings, merry-go-round, seesaw, slides, ladders. So there are actually yes. It's not. This is the swimming pool. We'll show you a better view.
We had the clearness of the water.
Yes, because of the sunlight.
As you can see, there is a lot of greenery over here. As you can see, there is some flowers over here.
Yes. And there are actually 2 gardens in So this is the bigger garden. However, there is one more garden. We'll show you it later. This is a tunnel slide and few slides here. And this is a viewpoint where you can view the top.
These are our friends. And
Yes. Yeah,
They're playing football now.
hey, this is
not here. Cricket turf, you can see it there. So there are some sitting areas and some slides. Come like it.
a garden where you can
Yes, you can just click photos. And this is another route I'm going to show you here. There is one more route here, but there's also a route through the garden.
And you have to
This is the sitting. This is another sitting area. You can sit here and talk with your friends.
trees growing from inside.
Yes, it's
But
very.
when it rains, you should not sit here because there are many water animals may come here and insects.
The monkey bar, we
And you can exercise on this like pull-ups and all.
Yes. So now this is another entrance exit.
This is the third entrance.
And this is the small garden.
This is the small garden. Children are playing here. There are two very big slides. We are going to show you. We are going to show you the view over the slides.
Slide and dream.
But before that, I'm going to show you. Just give you the tour of this garden. There are sitting places here. Few greenery. There are two huts there. We will show you them. But it's just good. So now
I'm going to show you the
top
view.
view.
So this is the slide. As you can see, this is the top view over here.
You can see a lot from here.
Hmm.
You can see the whole of it.
It's a really big tree, which is a symbol of the
That's a
dreams.
banyan tree.
This is Ane over here. That's the fourth landmark, as you can see.
Now we'll slide down.
Good morning, Ane.
So you can see look at this.
This is the fourth entrance.
Yes. Here you can go from here. And there are two huts here. People like do yoga and exercise here. This is another view of the clubhouse which we will show you later. So we are okay. And there are a lot of greenery here. So this is the pedestal for hoisting the flag during Independence Day.
Every year on Independence Day, we hoist it.
Yes.
Largest landmark called
The TPS. It's
the largest landmark is just a flat area of ground.
This is the fifth landmark.
so this is 3 area here. You can see here. This is 3A. Wait, we will show you it later. First, I'm going to show you the TPS. So it's a very, very vast ground. So I'm going to show you a view. So you can see the TPS, how big it is.
Now this is the sixth landmark.
Wait. First, we are going to go to the 3 area. So now we are going to next landmark, which is the park. So this is 2D. This non-painted thing, this is 2D, and it's not completely painted. It's going to be painted here. So but this is 2D, and between 2D and 3 area, 2D and 3D, there is a gap with there is a sitting area actually. I'm going to show you. So this landmark is called Fire Islands, and we will show you why. Because this is one island here. This is the second island. This is the third island. So this is called the Times Square. It's between 3 islands, and this is the fourth island.
And over there is the fifth island.
Yes, and there is a subway here. So this is there is also like a small area here where you can climb. So we are going to show you. So we will show you how we go inside. So this is Anam going inside. So we are going to show you what's inside.
It's not wet now. It's not wet.
So let's show.
This is the first.
This is actually the first.
This is actually the first way to go inside. The second way is right over here. Ane, come.
Yes, so we are going to show you the second way.
The second way is right over here. Fly inside
You can climb inside the cycle area. I'm going to show you.
like this.
Yes.
Jump in. And now
So we are going to show you a view inside.
here is a view. Good view. There are some leftover things kept here and some waste. And this is the cycle area of 2D.
So now Likith is coming down. This is a
Two slugs.
slug.
And the slugs are just one of the water animals which enter dreams in the rainy season.
So You might see this white line over here.
Yes,
And
this is-
every December we have a race in the turf also. We have a competition of football, cricket, carom, and volleyball. So this is where we do the race over here.
Yes, and this is the sitting area here. This is also a gap between 3D and 2D. So I'm going to show you the view. This is 3D. This is 2D. So now this here is 3C. You can see here, the middle. This is 3B, and this is 3E. This is 3A. It's like a sitting area. This is another aisle.
Over here you might see another pedestal after.
This was the old pedestal.
Before we used to hoist the flag over here, but
Because of some unknown reason, now we hoist it
over there,
in the garden.
where we showed you before.
Yes.
So we're going to show you the outside part of this area. Continue.
Let's continue now.
So now this is 3C here. There is one more way to 3C.
But I do not recommend you going inside there
Now.
because the security.
The bridge towards the outside area and inside area.
So we are going to show you two things here in the 3 area. The medical, which is also a hospital, and we are also going to show you a ramp.
This is the 7th landmark we're going to show you after this right now. This is the medical, as you can see.
So this is the medical. We are not going to show you inside. So you can see here.
So we buy items such as medicines and
There's a store there. Snacks,
and
train.
you can see
And this is a view. Now we are going to show you where these cars are going. These cars are actually coming and going.
where we're continuing right now.
These cars are actually coming and going from the ramp. The ramp,
There's a ramp over here, or you can call it a slope.
yes. So it leads to 0, the main part, the main road of Mumbai. So I'm going to just show you the view. So you can see a lot of cars are coming and going. So now we are going to walk through 3 area. So
The outside part.
And now this is a really aesthetic place I have discovered.
yes.
Give this. So if you look up now, it feels kind of
Dizzy.
like this. So now we're continuing.
Now we'll walk
now-
through the outside part of
And introduce you to the building. So this is 3C.
This is 3C. And ahead, as you can see, is that
So you can see 3B here. It's the entrance of 3B from the outside part. Yeah.
this is another building which is neighboring to us. This is Usha complex.
Yes, this is the Usha complex.
This is the biggest rival of ours.
Yeah. So this is 3A here. Entrance of 3A.
Ghosting.
Usha complex.
That is a railway station, as you can see.
Yes, there is some train tracks. So now there is one more ramp. It has
leads to 0.
yes. There are two levels of the ramp. One is from P2 to P1 and one is from P1 to 0. So we are going to show you the P2 to P1 level.
You can see this leads to P1.
Yes. There we go from yes. We will try to make one more vlog of P1. But yes. So this is some plants. But
Ghosting.
this is the clubhouse. We are going to show. This is the selfie point here. I love dreams. You can see I love dreams here.
And this was something later over here.
So these are actually purple plants that spell D C H A.
So this is, I guess, some landmark of DPS. Sub landmark means a landmark inside of another landmark.
Yes.
So this is the
Clubhouse.
8th landmark, which is called the clubhouse.
One of the most main landmarks in Dream.
We go to play here like carom, football, cricket, and volleyball.
Yes.
Any other amenities?
You can also access the turf from here. Many sports like badminton, table tennis, and all the amenities you will expect.
So now this is the